What's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy, and today in this video is the every haircut challenge. If you're new to the channel, this is where we show you guys barbers that have to show every cut in their clientele that day. All right, you guys might be thinking like, Jeezy, it's not really a challenge, but you gotta think about it. Okay, you gotta think about it. Let me learn you something real quick. You gotta think about it. First of all, you got people that only cut straight hair. Then you got people that only cut African American coarse hair. Then you got people that only know how to really style. I ain't throwing no shots at supercuts, but I'm just saying. You know what I'm saying? This is the video where I grade barbers from an A to an F. F, you're trash. You need to just regroup. You might be starting out, but this is not the time to get on YouTube, okay? I'm just saying, okay? All the way to an A. A, you're already good. You know you good. You fire. I have nothing to say about any of your cuts, all right? So today on the chopping block, we got Santi, the barber, 23, all right? Santi, pretty much the same thing, you know, if you know what I mean. If any of you college students out there, S-A-N-T-I, what does that spell? Let me know, okay? Don't try to crucify me in the comment section because I don't know whether it's Santi or Santi. It's one of the two. Now we got that out the way, okay? Let go. All right, you guys, we are back. And let's not waste any more time. Let's not procrastinate. In 5, 4, 3, all right. See, he spelled his name over and over again. Santi.
Show my face is pretty much a face reveal too, but let's get started. And today I'm gonna be attempting every haircut challenge by 360 Jeezy. If you like the way my cuts look, go ahead and follow me right here at Santi the Barber 20. Santi.
Okay, I think I said it right.
Subscribers, followers, I mean, damn. But yeah, just get me up there, bruh. My cuts, I think they're pretty good. If you like them, go ahead and comment on it. Let me know how I'm doing in these comments too. And let's just get this started. Also, I want to go ahead and say, I hope everyone in Velocity cuts, everyone from back.
Hey,
it's all good. Cause I live out here in Santa Rosa. It's not that
Santa
far.
Rosa? Oh, he out here from with us.
And like, there's a whole big ass fire out there, so hopefully they all safe. You feel me?
Much love. It is a fire out here. The fire is pretty bad. First canvas, straight hair. Pretty blended in. Ooh. Okay. I wasn't expecting it to just hit me like that, but okay. All right, I see a little bit of imperfections in the blend, but not too bad. It's still a good job. That's a blend. A little bit right here. You could have left a little bit of bulk right here, but not too bad. Stop. In the name of love. All right. So the blend is decent. That's a low fade. But like I was mentioning right here in this area, I don't know whether or not it's hard to gauge what style this is, because is it a comb over? Is he just trying to have hair on top? I just feel like we all need to just know what type of look he wanted to be able to judge this correctly. But it's just this part right here that is just, I don't know, it's bothering me. And yeah, let's go, move forward.
What's going on, YouTube? It's me back again. I just had a little break. I finished like half of my cuts already. I have one more coming after he gets off work. Yeah, let's just see how it goes from there. The time is 8:28. Yeah, because I can see on my TV. Yeah, and then we'll just see how that goes. I'll probably do like a mini tutorial since he's my last cut.
I want to see you cut hair. I definitely want to see you cut the hair.
Section the hair from the bottom to the top. I hear you about to see me put my bald guideline in with my trimmers.
He's using two hands to set in the bald line. I'm guessing he's not really like
Next thing I do is I
too
grab my
seasoned.
coil shaver and I just go up to that line and I just bald it out. Now right here I get my no guard all the way open and I just go up about a half an inch. Right here I close my no guard on the clipper and I just knock out that bottom line.
It's a great start. Definitely a great start.
Just to get my bald guideline out as much as I can, I get my trimmers and I just try to knock it out.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right here I get my fast feeds. They're a little slower, so I just look at everything more and I just detail it.
Can I guess with the one guard open, go up about an inch? Can I guess that?
I get my one guard and I go up another half an inch.
Come on now. I say inch, but you know what I mean, half an inch. He's definitely been watching my channel.
Like this, like, and go behind the ear very slowly and try to get all the little hairs right there. Here's that one guard close, just to try to knock out that line where it's no guard to the guard.
Right, basically softening up that line. Got that zero guard and a flick out motion. Flick out the middle line.
I don't know why I do this, but I tend to detail during the cut and it just turns out better.
That's cool. It's really all about how
here I put my 1.5 guard on and I go all
how
the way
comfortable you are cutting with the
and
steps.
I close it right here, but next clip you're about to see bring out the Oster fast feed on that one guard and it blends away easier.
I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is about his wrist motion that is bothering me right now. It kind of has me, but he's doing a good job. Don't get me wrong.
It's a little weird, so you gotta be careful.
But his wrist game is bothering me, y'all. I don't know. It's like he's using his whole arm to cut. Like, bro, wrist motion.
Then when I think I have a good starting point for the hairline, then I just go ahead and hop straight into it, my trimmers.
And then the two hand, that's kind of bothering me too, but hey, he's executing it nice. I would bust out a freestyle, but the music is not loud enough. Man, he has a weird calic in the front.
Bro, go grab yourself one of these trimmers. Look at how good they hit. Look at when I take off that.
Hey, them Babyliss Gold FX. I mean, them not Gold FX, but the Babyliss Skeletons are good trimmers, though.
Razor against the hairline just to get off all the little stubble.
Alright, bro, you did a whole tutorial. This is the Every Haircut Challenge. This is the Every Haircut Challenge, and you did a whole tutorial.
Yeah,
okay.
I do eyebrows too.
Alright. Okay. Alright. You didn't have to do the eyebrows. Okay. Okay. Alright. My man did a whole tutorial. I'm gonna need you to... Okay. It was good at first to see you do the side. But if I say what I really want to say, is this to make up for a lack thereof clientele?
It's a little spot on the hairline, so I'm just gonna go back and just...
This is the Every Haircut Challenge, not a tutorial. It's not a tutorial. This is definitely not a tutorial. I like how you using that razor, though. I like how you using that razor. Stretching the skin out, pulling it back, using it. Okay.
Finished product,
it's
man.
Nice.
That shit's nice. I'm done talking, though. Let me talk.
Yeah. Language, please.
That was my day.
Language.
My last client pulled up around like 9:30, finished around 10:30 or so. I recorded the whole video and everything. So just let me know how I did. Let me know how all the cuts were. Rate every
All the
single cut
cuts.
you want to, like differently and stuff. How I attacked this whole challenge. I only had 6 or 7. I forgot how much I had, but it's because I have online school now, so I can't.
Oh, he's in school. He's in school. He's in school.
Right now, I'd be cutting way more.
Okay. Makes sense.
There were like 3 more people that want to cut today, but yeah. Let me know how I did. Let me know in the comments below. You feel me? And yeah, stay up, everybody.
All right. All right, you guys. That was Santi the Barber, 23. So here's my take on your cuts. I feel like as far as styling, you need a lot of work. As far as the blend, I felt like you were good as far as blending. Lineups were cool. So that's why I'm gonna hit you with the C+. You're still in school, and there's a lot more to be improved because on not each one of your cuts, but you only gave me, so many to work with. So just looking at engaging what I see, you got to focus more on styling. You got the blends down. You got the lineups done. You just need to really hone in on styling. This is where school comes in. Like, when it comes to your instructor, just make sure that you really, really get that one-on-one help when it comes to styling and clipper over comb and just using the shears. But other than that, man, C+. You did a good job, especially because you're in school. I tip my hat off to you for even doing this challenge, because if it was me and if I was in school, I don't know if I would have did it. I'm gonna be honest with you. I don't know if I would have put it out there for the people to see. Me in school. Even though I did put out barber tutorials when I was in school. So maybe I would have. I don't know. But this is just kind of harsh. You know what I mean? Because I could be real, direct. Alright, I'm gonna stop wasting everybody's time. Listen, this is Every Haircut Challenge. This is your boy 360 Jeezy. And I'm out. Peace.